Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today is going to be a fun collab. I've been invited by Julia from Accessorise Your Life to take part in the Copper Beaches collab, and also she's collaborating with a few other women, but in particular Simply You Makeup, and her name's V. Now I've been subscribed to Julia for quite a while, but I am new to Simply You Makeup, and I have watched a couple of her videos lately, and yeah, I just thought I would take part in this fun collab with them. It can only be 10 minutes, so there won't be much talking like what you're used to seeing in my videos. So yeah, let's just get into the look. So the stipulations of the look, like I said, it is the Copper Beaches collaboration. You have to use copper and also metallic blue, or electric blue should I say. So they're the two shades that you have to use. You can use a transition shade and you can use it in a corner shade, from the rules that I've seen around that collaboration. So let's just get into this and try and make it 10 minutes or under. This is going to be tricky for me, isn't it? Right, so I'm going to go into the Natasha Denona bronze palette. Let's go in with the shade Beach. Yeah, let's go in with the shade Beach. So this is just going to be my transition shade. So I don't do many collaborations. It's not because I don't want to do them, it's just because I don't get asked to do them. So if you're watching this and you want to collab, just feel free to contact me through Instagram or even on YouTube. I'll be more than happy to do a collaboration. I think they're fun. So I'm not too sure who else is going to be doing this collaboration with us. I just know of the other two ladies, Julia and V. But Julia told me there was 6 in total with me if I decided to go ahead and do it. So yeah, that'll be quite good to watch everyone's look, to see how it turns out. I think I'm going to do like a halo eye, personally. Right, so I'm going to dip into a different palette now, just because I need a brow bone highlight, and I use a matte one. If you're not familiar to my channel, I'm panning the Too Faced chocolate bar, and I use the white chocolate shade in that. So yeah. Okay, so we're done with that one. Right. So since it's the Copper Beaches collab, for the most part of the eye, we need to go in with a copper shade. I'm going to be using this one here from the Natasha Denona palette. It's the shade True Copper. Okay, let me just colour switch this brush off. It's a beautiful colour, this. It's a beautiful palette, in fact. Just going to go in the crease so it's a true halo eye with that copper shade. Okay, So we're done with that for the time being. I might go back in to make it a little bit more pigmented. So now we're going in with the Stila Blue Realm palette, and this is a really bright electric blue, so I thought I'd use that. Not used this palette in a while. That's how pigmented it is. Ooh. I'm really interested to seeing what the other ladies do with this colour story, because it is quite interesting. It's quite fun. And I'm actually filming it on Monday. It has to go up on Tuesday, so really this was the last day I had. So I'm very, very last minute. Just like me, I'm always last minute when I'm doing collabs. Right, I want to go back in with that copper shade from the bronze palette to blend it in. Back in with a Stila palette. Right, so that's what we're looking like so far. Now I need a lash line brush. And we're going to go into the Colourpop Fade into Hue. And I'm going to be using, for the lash line, this iconic shade down here. Hope you can see that. I'll show you again just in case you can't. I'm just gonna blend it. There's no extra eyeshadow on, but you should still have that beach shade on it. I feel like it's looking a bit muddy on the left eye. Let me just go in with a bit more of that true copper shade. I think the blues muddied it a little bit, but there's not really a lot I can do about that at this point. And now inner corner highlight, let me just get the brush. I am going to use the Stila palette again. So there's a duochrome in here, which is this white one here, but it's got a blue shift to it. Sorry, is that mirror getting in your way? So it's that one, and it's got a blue shift. So I thought that one would go quite nicely. Oh, that's better. I put it on with my finger and it's getting more bronze-like. It was starting to look really muddy. Let's put some mascara on now. I'm not going to bother with tie lining just to save some time. Just the Essence False Lashes one. Wish I had an electric blue mascara, that would have been so cool. Okay, and for lipsticks, you're allowed to wear a nude lipstick or a nude to you lipstick or a copper. And I thought I would do a mixture today, because this one's not copper enough, I don't think. I mean, it is in a way, it goes with the eyeshadow. So this is the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Intense in the shade 1. And then we've got the Urban Decay in the shade Cruel, and this one's more red. So I thought we would mix them and see what combination we get. So let's put on the Makeup Forever one first. I think I'll just put that on my bottom lip, and then on the top I'll go in with the Urban Decay in the shade Cruel. And mix them. And I just need to pop a little bit more of that blue shade. So it's called Reveal, I think. Yeah, it's called Reveal. Sorry, I didn't tell you the shade. That's how blue it is. Just going to tap it on. That looks better. Let me get a white. I'd like to say thank you for Julia for asking me to take part in this collaboration. It's really meant a lot to me, so thank you so much for that. So this is the overall finished look. I've really enjoyed it. I really do like the look. I mean, it's not a look I would create every single day, but for a fun collaboration I think it looks nice. So yeah guys, this concludes my video. I'm hoping it's under the 10-minute mark. It's probably not. If it's not, then I am really sorry. I'll try and edit it down as much as I possibly can. I would love for you to go and check out the rest of the ladies in this collaboration. So it's the... would mean a lot to me, and it would certainly mean a lot to them. So it's the Copper Beaches collaboration. I presume it's going to be under the hashtag the Copper Beaches collaboration, just so you guys can find it. If not, I'll make a note of everyone's channel and leave it in the description box. But yeah, this concludes the video for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'm currently working on a giveaway, and that will go up in the next month or so. I would love for you to enter. But for now guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.